Good morning, Miss Woodward. Today I'll be performing for you an oral analysis over the comparison of the poem Bourbon and Blues by Joy Harjo and the short story End of Term by Mariana Enriquez. I'll be comparing them and drawing a global issue that is parallel to both of them and that runs through both of them. And that global issue is societal groups reject the unfamiliar because of uncomfortability and unfamiliarity. First, as we read Bourbon and Blues, this quote is included by Joy Harjo. As we emerge from bloody history into the white clothes of pious religion and rules. First, you can observe the juxtaposition made between the inclusion of the words white of the clothes of the pious religion and the blood of the history that they have just faced. This symbolizes the stark, unwelcome contrast between how the speaker feels towards the group that's intruding upon them, which is the imperialists. And it also draws a comparison between the bloody history, the violent history that their group has experienced, the Indians have experienced, and the white clothes of the religion, meaning the purity when these people that are forcing upon them the white clothes of religion are the ones who caused their bloody history. So it kind of includes irony and kind of sarcasm in her tone. Also, the ambiguity of the word pious religion, offers a commentary of Harjo, the group that the Indians group. It offers a commentary on why it offers an inside view into their thoughts, because pious has ambiguity, because most commonly it means reverence, devoutness to the religion that you do follow, but it also has another meaning. It also means sham and hypocrisy. So Harjo's inclusion of this can reflect the underlying beliefs of this group and reflect to the reader that there is hypocrisy, just like with the white and the blood. There is hypocrisy within the group that is intruding upon the American Indians. Also, there's personification of white clothes of religion and rules. The white symbolizes cleanliness, purity. Harjo says that they force this on her through their religion and rules. This is a lot of sarcasm and just disdain. She's heavily showing her disdain for this group throughout the poem because they're forcing her to be different, because they are different. And she's uncomfortable with that. She's unfamiliar with what they're trying to force upon her. So she's obviously going to reject it. The group in question that the poem is through the lens of. These hidden meanings highlight the forceful, hypocritical nature of her oppressors, and it allows it to be seen that she's rejected them because of her uncomfortability. Also, there is an anaphora that can be observed in this poem. The repetition of "we were wild then" before almost all of the paragraph of every single stanza. The use of "we" implies the group motion. It's an ideal of a group. This rejection of the intruders is a conscious group effort. The situations like harshness and severity is heightened to the reader because "we" is utilized, because it's a whole group of people that are opposing their oppressors. So it adds more emotion. It adds more